What the fuck is up? My name is Luis and I like finals. So this is actually my second time recording this because my GoPro is being pretty stupid at the moment. I mean, once I recorded everything, I tried to put it on my computer, and I'm pretty sure I have viruses in my computer because of all the stuff. So for all you 4 viewers at home, I finally got some of the Thailand videos that I've been meaning to give out. And the reason why it's been taking so long is because, again, I have so much shit and I just don't know how to put the shit on the shit on here. Does that make sense? Once we get to the Thailand, the first thing that we do is we hit up CN. Now, when we went to CN, this is Bangkok. I met some celebrities. And so I go up to these celebrities and I'm like, hey buddy, can I get a picture? And they're like, yeah, here you go guy, let's get a picture. Right? So I said, cool, alright, cool. So we got a picture. Look at this. So after I got done with the little meet and greet with these people, I just started to walk around. Well, not in Siem, but because all it was is just like a bunch of malls and shit like that. I'm not really a big mall kind of person. So we kind of ventured out a little bit farther up. And we took a little tuk-tuk, and so we found a couple of shrines and shit like that. And I thought it'd be cool to videotape them. So I did. So on my way there, I found this really weird this McDonald's place. I've never heard of a fucking double Big Mac before. It looked fucking giant. I didn't even want to buy it. I didn't really have much money. I was just tired and mad as fuck because the fucking taxi drivers are garbage as shit. So yeah. Double Big Mac. But overall, the trip was amazing. Thailand is a beautiful place. What I kind of didn't like is that you can't really bargain with these people. You try to, not like Indonesia, where you just say, hey, no brother, I can't do that. It's no good, it's too much rupiahs. But over here, it's like, all right, cool, I'll give you like 500 baht for this. And they're like, oh no, it has to be this much baht. You know, like in an accent or whatever. But they're a lot nicer. Sort of. Stay tuned for the next one. And yes, I promise the 4 viewers that I have that I will put up the next video next week, maybe Saturday. So you know, I mean, I got to keep on entertaining you 4 viewers so that I won't have 0. And I'm pretty sure that I'm one of those viewers. But